Good morning, y'all. So we back at the Morador Nova. I'm thinking I'm not getting no fill. I'm getting fill into the regulator, but not getting no fill out of the regulator. So I believe, if y'all know about these things, man, when you let them sit for a while, they just gunk up in there. And I want to say I was running. What fuel was I running last time in here? I don't think it was E85, but it could have been. That's why that sucker's plugged up. No, we can find out right now, though. Try to take this sucker apart. Let's see what it does. I bet you it's just plugged up right there in the center. It was a good thing though that thing was plugged up, because y'all seen yesterday all that water that was off in the fuel cell. I don't know how the hell the water got in the fuel cell, unless like I said, it was that I was running E85 in it. You know, that E85 plugs shit up tough. Okay, I know there's a spring off in here. See what it do. Sucker's on there. I don't think the Allen screws down off in there. We'll have to see. I don't think it holds nothing down but the spring. Yeah, see, that sucker should have came out already. I'm glad though that sucker did freeze up. It would have been more of a nightmare than it already is. Alright, about to use the little persuasion tool again. Bitches on there, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take all this shit off, all the nitrous lines that shit hooked up to it. Guess it's gonna be flathead jack. Let's see what we got. Damn, that thing is on there. Alright, I'm back. Go find a flathead. We're back, y'all. Let's see. Let's try not to mess up that gasket. I got another one of these. Could make one, huh? There it is. There's the spring I was talking about too. Should look pretty clean off inside there. I don't know what's underneath that diaphragm now. We finna find out. Let's see what it do. That's what it looked like inside if y'all didn't know. Little fuel regulator. Pull that regulator all the way out of there. Might gonna have to make a gasket. Damn it. Didn't want to pull that thing out. Three-eighths. I don't think I got another fuel regulator in there neither, man. Oh, that's some nasty shit came out of there. That one looks good. Oh shit. That motherfucker is on there. Still want to mess up those threads. I'm gonna mess them up too. Damn. Yeah, that had been running E85. Look off in there. Some nasty looking shit. Take that line off too and clean it out. This one looks like brand new. Yeah. Spin it off from there. No, fucker's spinning. Damn, that thing looks nasty in there. Oh shit. That tells you how gunked up it is in there. So it ain't breaking loose yet. Hey, look what's in there. Some bitch, man. Why is that motherfucker so tough? Take this whole piece off and go inside the shop. Damn. To be continued.